Morning, Officer Congoland Police Department.
My bad.
Why are you handing me your Chase debit card?
I didn't mean to.
All right, Mr. Carter, you know the reason why I'm stopping you?
Yeah, I was going fast.
Footage has emerged of Playboi Carti and Ken Carson being pulled over for speeding at 84 miles per hour in a 35 zone back in 2022. Previously, footage had been released of an arrest that happened on September 21st, 2022, where Carter was arrested for reckless driving. He was also arrested on December 29th, 2022 on a felony assault charge after allegedly choking his girlfriend, who was 14 weeks pregnant at the time.
You were going 84 miles in a 35 zone, all right?
Yeah, and I'm trying to get straight back home.
All right, where are you guys coming from?
Gramercy.
What is that?
It's outside.
Like, exactly where you
Right
just
across
stopped
from
me.
Kansas.
Okay. And so why does he need to go back home so quickly that you're going 84?
I gotta go home.
Okay, so why do you need to go back so quickly?
Yeah, Atlanta's crazy, boss. I was just
He's
trying to get home.
searching back home.
He what?
Searching back home.
Don't listen. I'm just trying to get her back home fast. I don't want to try to disrespect you. I'm sorry. That was my fault.
All right.
That's it.
Do me a favor. Let's step out here and go walk out and talk, all right?
All right.
All right. You know this is stuck open, right?
I just dropped the top.
Okay. I know, but it's stuck open like that. Probably because you're going 84 miles trying to put the top down.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
All right. That's good, all right, so you're coming from where again?
Oh, for that call. Check a silent alarm instead of early.
You're coming from where?
Right there. You know the little condos right there?
Okay. All right. And you said you're speeding because of what?
Just trying to get home fast. That's it. I literally
84 to 35?
boss, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never seen y'all right there. I've been tripping.
Oh, so you're only speeding because you know there's no cops on there.
Man, I'm just trying to get home.
You had anything to drink tonight?
Hell no, I don't drink.
At all?
Nah.
Are you taking anything, smoking weed, anything like that?
Cigarettes.
Irby Avenue.
All right, just hang out in the front right there, all right?
What kind of business is that?
Ray Port Houston, Georgia Tech, Charlie, Uncle Edward, 8737.
Oh, pull me out at Shadow on.
All right, Mr. Carter, this is what's going on today, all right? You are going to receive a speeding citation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a court date. It's going to be October 3rd, 2022, 8 a.m. I got to finish explaining this, all right? You can sign right here. It's not an admission of guilt. Just state you received a copy of the citation with the court date, okay?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Got a lot of tickets this year. How the fuck I don't get my license suspended?
What do you mean you got a lot of tickets?
A lot of speed tickets, man. I just got hit for goddamn 100 and goddamn 70 in Smyrna. Type 5.
How do you keep your license? You got to slow down. I mean, that's...
Yeah.
You know this is going to be another super speeder, right?
That's what I'm saying. I know it is.
All right. I mean, I suggest you hire a lawyer or something, because we can't be speeding. Here's the issue.
You got it with this one, but what about the other ones that I feel like I ain't do it?
I mean,
You got it. You got it, OG. I'm saying the other ones, I ain't gonna tell you that. Them folks got it.
You got to slow down. Especially got a powerful car. I mean,
yeah, just because I got a powerful car on me, I can do what I want. He told me that. I understand.
Yeah. And it's not even about the speed. We got a lot of people that
Let's walking down the street, I can kill somebody.
Always, I mean, you hit them.
It's over.
That's going to be vehicular homicide charges. You're not coming back from that.
You're right.
They're going to make you serve time on that one.
I never take nobody life. I'm a good.
I know. Every person that I've been to a fatality wreck, they didn't think that would happen, and it happens. I mean, when you're at 84 miles per hour, you have no reaction time, especially when it's dark out.
My bad, man. I just got comfortable. I seen y'all right there.
All right, just slow down for us, all right?
I got y'all. It was y'all see me.